I'm just solely interested in business and how to convey experience in startup.
So through the EntreCamp, not every student is going to decide to be a co-founder or founder, but we want them all to be entrepreneurial. We want them to develop a sense of bias to action, to be adaptable, to be idealistic, but at the same time realistic in the things that they can do. More than anything else, it's for them to discover what they're not just interested in, but also what they're excited about, and to give them a sense of purpose in whatever it is that they want to do.
We want to help activate them to become entrepreneurial, help orient them to learn and think deeply about the most difficult challenges facing this region.
We just want to work on how to work with unreasonable, excessive use of plastic. Right now, we narrow it down to only about food delivery business.
My group ideas is based on the 13th of the Sustainable Development Goal, the actions, the climate actions.
Our group is trying to build an app where we can learn about the individual, their hobbies, their interests, and then their strengths and their weaknesses, and connect them to match people.
So my group idea is to make an app that we will going to collect like families' garbage, but like it's already been sorted out. So we only collect like paper or plastic, and then we will sell it back to the company which made it.
Yeah, I think in the next 5 years, we will become the co-founders of a billion-dollar startup, I think. Yeah.
The program has helped me a lot, especially the brainstorming process. Especially before, I haven't had the chance to do teamwork as creatively as in the Reactor school.
The program was very interesting and helpful, and also the facilitators are very supportive and always encourage us to be the most creative as we are.
And the winning ideas was very unique in a way that they articulate their problems and very quickly come up with a quick solution and test it out with the market.
So I thought I was very impressed with all of the winning ideas. Some of them were very innovative and addressed like some real pain point challenge of the current market that we live in today.
So not all the students will end up being founders or co-founders of tech companies, but we hope that all the students will be entrepreneurial. So whatever field the students intend to go to in future, we hope that they will develop self-confidence and they'll be able to basically lift up the levels of their local communities.
Now that I've seen the first trial run, we're excited to kind of develop it even further and really push as many boundaries as possible, because we think it's really important for the high school level for them to start thinking about ways to improve Ho Chi Minh and Vietnam as a whole.
You know, there's only a limit to how much entrepreneurship can be taught in the classroom. I would love for our center to send our students out into the community to work at high potential startups.